Ever worry about what happens to your car when you're not in it? Today, we're counting down the top 6 best dash cams with parking monitoring for 2026. Cameras that keep watch 24/7 and record incidents while you're away. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and let's jump right into the list. Number 6. Nextbase 622 GW. The Nextbase 622 GW, a flagship dashcam with excellent video quality and smart parking modes, comes in at number 6. When your car is off, this device's intelligent parking mode automatically switches to motion and impact detection. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second with excellent detail. To keep it safe without depleting the battery, it operates in low power mode. It also has emergency SOS capabilities, Wi-Fi connectivity, and GPS logging. For drivers looking for dependable protection without complexity, it's an excellent all-around choice. Best for drivers seeking reliable smart parking features and top-notch day and night video. Number 5. Viofo A239 Pro. The Viofo A239 Pro, a dual-channel dashcam that outperforms its competitors, comes in at number 5. Both the front and rear lenses record in 2K, providing crisp video of motion, triggers, impacts, and license plates. Motion detection and buffered recording are features of the parking guard mode that allow you to record events both before and after they occur. With a comprehensive parking monitoring suite, it's one of the most affordable dashcams available, simple to install, and energy efficient. Ideal for drivers looking for affordable, strong dual-camera protection. Number 4. ThinkWear U1000. The ThinkWear U1000, renowned for its potent sensor and sophisticated parking detection, comes in at number 4. This camera has good low-light performance, supports an optional radar module, and records 4K at 30 frames per second up front and 2K at 30 frames per second in the back. Motion, impact, and even the beginning of recording based on vehicle shock can all be detected by its parking surveillance mode. The app provides quick access to saved clips, and ThinkWear's energy-efficient parking mode makes sure it doesn't drain your battery. Ideal for drivers seeking high-end video and intelligent parking using cutting-edge sensors. Number 3. BlackView DR900X-2 CH+. Coming in at number 3, the BlackView DR900X-2 CH+, a high-end dashcam with cloud connectivity and exceptional parking features. With 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, this camera captures crisp evidence even at distance. What sets it apart is BlackView Cloud, real-time alerts, remote live view, and automatic backups for peace of mind. Its parking mode includes time-lapse, motion detection, and impact triggers, and it can be hardwired for seamless power management. Best for connected drivers who want mobile alerts and remote camera access. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W, a very small camera with excellent performance, comes in at number 2. With a 180-degree field of view and 2.7K resolution, it provides superior coverage of the lanes on both sides. When paired with the Garmin Drive app, it can automatically save video to the cloud and use motion and impact detection in its parking guard mode. Garmin is a great option for everyday drivers who want strong parking monitoring but don't want bulk because of its integrated GPS, voice control, and dependable construction. Ideal for drivers seeking smart parking alerts and a small installation with superior coverage. Number 1. ThinkWear QHD Plus 3 CH. And at number 1, the ThinkWear QHD Plus 3 CH, our top all-around choice for 2026. This triple-channel system provides 2K front plus 1080p rear plus 1080p interior coverage, ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and car owners who want full vehicle protection. Its advanced parking mode detects motion, impacts, and even loitering, while intelligently switching between buffer and event recording. The premium sensor excels in low light, and the app integration lets you review clips or adjust settings quickly. Energy-saving features protect your battery while keeping the car monitored around the clock. Best for drivers who want the most complete and reliable parking monitoring system on the market. Which one would you pick to protect your car? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear guides and tech reviews.